What is going on, guys? HappyGengar here, and today we have this Ditto, or Pika Ditto is what people are calling it, Blister. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this off camera so we can crack into it. Hopefully it's not too challenging for me, as I am one-handed now. So bear with me. Alright, so we have our 3 packs. A slightly warped promo, but that's okay. It'll straighten out in my promo binder. If you can see that there, there's the Pikachu Ditto. And if I can pop it out, we have a coin. And that coin is Froakie. So very cool. Let's go ahead and get to our packs. Hopefully I can get one thing out of here. But if not, that is a-okay. Alright, let's put the 2 on at the bottom. Since I have been spoiling pools lately, got a Volbeat, a Rhyhorn, a Vulpix, Maxie's Hidden Ball Trick, Wishcash, Aggron Spirit Link. These are all of our commons and uncommons. We have a Staryu reverse. There we go. And our rare is Wishcash. Very cool though. Love the ancient traits rares. I'm getting better at opening packs with a bum arm. So, and I say that and then I struggle. So that's how that is. Rare in reverse. We have a Chinchou, a Horsey, Bidoof, Metatite, Lotad, Grovyle, a Bidoof, and a Bibarel. That means there has to be something good in this pack. A reverse Bidoof! Yes! And our rare is nice! A hollow Rhyperior ancient trait. Very cool. And I needed that for my set, so that makes it even better. Alright, last pack. We've met our, at least, odds, I guess, of pulling hollow or better. So that's cool. We have a focus. There we go. A Shroomish, Drillbur, Metatite, Honedge, Trico, Bibarel, Rare Candy, and a Bouffalant. My reverse is a Bidoof. And our rare is a Skeptile. So overall, the best pulls by far were in that second to last pack, with our Bidoof reverse and Rhyperior hollow, as well as this beautiful Ditto promo that I basically bought this for. Please give this video a like if you liked it, guys. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm gonna go rest my arm now, as that was kind of tiring, and I will catch you guys later. Stay awesome.